Hello friends, this is RK from RK Share Market and Investments. It's a short video on Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis, which index option to choose tomorrow, whether it is a call option or put option, which strike price will give you a maximum profit. Being at expiry day tomorrow, you have to be very careful, and there are a lot of news that FM is going to announce a stimulus package tomorrow for this COVID-19. And next thing, thanks for choosing and subscribing my YouTube channel and Telegram channel. Please do refer your friends if you are satisfied with my levels. And let us go to the video. This video is created only for educational purpose. Share market trading involves huge financial risk, and consult your financial advisor before investment. And this is the chart of Nifty on a 5 minutes time frame. So as discussed yesterday, though SGX was at a kind of positive mode, Nifty opened a little positive compared to the yesterday's opening, and in the opening itself it just started dropping below, and then it came up to the point of 9100, where it took a kind of major support, where we discussed also 9100 and 9000 are major support levels for Nifty. It just resisted, it just took a support from here and then bounced back, and you can see where it got resistance. This 9320, so this is where I have marked 9320 line. Is this is the 38% retracement level. If you see on a daily chart, it will be clearly visible, this 9320. so this 9320 acted as a major resistance line today. So this one went up to a kind of 346, which is the day high, and then you can see 1 2 3 time rejected and then went down up to this 9200 level. And what you can expect tomorrow on Nifty, SGX Nifty is already down by around 150 points, and you can expect Nifty to open somewhere at this range, where the today's high was low was made, and then it might go down up to 9000 level. 9000 level, if you see, is having a kind of major support with around how many contracts we have at 9000 level? 17 lakh contract, 17 lakh open interest at 9000 level. So these guys will give you a kind of major support for Nifty, and if breaks this 9000 level also, you can expect it to go down up to this 8500 levels. And coming to the Bank Nifty was a little opposite. Nifty took resistance at the major level, whereas Bank Nifty took a support at this level. It is the same support level which we discussed yesterday and over these days. So this is where it took a support. So this is the major critical zone. This zone is in the range of 18,900 to 18,800 zones. So it took a kind of a major support. You can just see it came over here and then it just went up, and then it started resisting at this 19,700 to 800 level and came down, and then finally it closed at a kind of very good position. Tomorrow, if Nifty opens 100 point or 150 point down, you can expect this to open at somewhere 19,500 zones or 19,400 zones, somewhere near over here or somewhere over here. So between this level 9,300 to 19,300, 19,400 level. And if you see the next support zone for Nifty is at major support is at 19,000 level, and this guy will act as a major resistance support, and if it breaks this level, it will just go down. And then the same thing over here, this guy will act as a major resistance to Nifty to fall back. So what are the levels which we can discuss for tomorrow? Before that, we will discuss about yesterday's performance. Yesterday performance suggestion was 9200 Nifty and then 19,500 put option Bank Nifty. Both are winners, gave almost 41 rupees profit on Nifty level and then 200 profit on Bank Nifty level. I was a little bearish, so I have not gone for CE side. Otherwise I might have given you CE level also. When the Nifty touches that position, you might have considered this position also, whereas yesterday only PE side. And what is there for tomorrow? Tomorrow, as I said, I am expecting 9100 will be a very clear visibility. So 9100 put option is my first choice. So it was little out of the money. Tomorrow it will become at the money or in the money. So 9100 put option will be a kind of very good selection strategy for Nifty. And call option side, if it reverses from 9000 level, you can consider this 9100 call option. If Nifty reverses once it goes up to 9000 level, and if it does not break 9000 level, you can consider closing this 9100 put option, and you can open this 9100 call option. Okay, and the same thing with bank nifty. The first choice is 19500 put option. Opening, it might be in the at the money level, and then it might go down, and when it touches 19,000 or 18,800 level, you can close off this put option level, and you can choose out of the money, which is out of the money call option. Tomorrow, if it goes up to 18,000 level, you can choose 19,000 call option. So you can close this 19,500 put option, and you can choose 19,000 call option when it touches 18,800 or 18,900 levels. Okay, so that is it all from my side. Let me conclude. Nifty, my recommendation is 9100 put option when the market is negative, and if it goes up to 9000 level, and if it doesn't break 9000 level, you can consider closing this put option, and you can start going for call option side 9000 or 9100 call option. Bank Nifty opening, you can choose this 19,500 put option if the market opens on the negative side, and when it goes and touches that 18,800 or 1900 level, you can close this put option level, and you can consider buying a 19,000 call option. That is for the strategy for tomorrow. And let me finish off with this TLP program. It is a trade like a pro and train like a pro program, 6 days online workshop for 1 to 2 hours after the market sessions, and all the content are shared over here. And for the upcoming May 11th batch, you can start booking, and please contact me for my the early bird offers. Thank you very much, and have a profitable and very good successful expiry day ahead. Thanks, bye.